What's going on, fellas? Y'all know what it is. I lied to y'all. Y'all remember that short where I said something about the filter? I had to recoup myself because I had a video of that same similar scenario. I don't know what happened to it. It was only a week old. Being that I record customer video multi-points through my phone, then edit them, and then send them to the customers. I think I accidentally deleted it, thinking it was a customer vehicle or a customer video, but in fact it was a YouTube video. With that being said, guys, y'all remember that one I diagnosed with the AC? It had low and low. We did in fact sell it. We didn't just sell the engine air filter, we sold the AC line as well. And I think I have it set up right. Yeah, so I think that's where it rubbed through right there. And we're gonna be getting that replaced. And then as y'all see, they bought the engine air filter as well. So I think about 4.5 hours plus that. So 4.7, not too bad, half a day's worth of work. And y'all gonna see just how quickly or how slowly I can get this done. Let's do it now. Alright, so before we actually get through with the repair or continue on with the repair, that's how much came out. Dang, hardly anything. And the spec for this is 1.1 pounds. Now, does it always pull that correct amount out? No, these machines are built by humans. Or maybe this machine's just jacked. I have never put in a pound and pulled exactly a pound back out. It's always been a tenth or two less. So with that being said, guys, let's do it now. All right, let's stop playing. All right, so something I figured out, because I wanted to secure this piece since I was gonna be right here. Now, I did have it tucked back like that, which that is obviously not the way it's supposed to go. What I did find that it was supposed to be connected to this lower piece. As y'all can see, I did take the lower grill out. So yeah, I'll be connecting that back together. And on this side, it wasn't attached either. But for ease of access, I'm gonna leave it like this, and we're gonna get that nut out, or that 10mm out, and then we will start working the line out. Now, I just went through hell trying to look for this customer's aftermarket wheel lock like this. It's not Nissan, it's aftermarket, for steel wheels. Who likes dealing with that? I checked everywhere, I couldn't find it. Now, they do have me on a time crunch on this vehicle because the customer needs it today. So I'm trying to haul some bouquet to get this done. I mean, I can get it done. Have what, maybe an hour and a half to do it. And that is also with the fact that I have to try to make sure this doesn't happen again. Make sure that nothing rubs through again by securing that piece. Which of course I'm not charging them for. Because had I known that piece, I mean, I knew it was out of place, but I didn't know it was that far out of place. Or I would have charged them to properly remove the bumper and proceed. I'm gonna put these caps on so I don't lose them. Now, I do have another video that I have not what's it called? I have another video that I haven't edited and stuff. I only got, it's like a 3-part series. I lack when it comes to the series because those are so much harder and lengthier to edit versus these ones, like 1 parts. So oh man, this one just does not want to come up. Can you come up? Yeah, there we go. Oh, had to get it out of the lip. I gotta get this off. And the damn rain literally just teased us right now.
If you want to bring it, you can bring it.
It like let heavy droplets for like a minute or two, and then it stopped and it got super humid. Like, yo, why you do that to us? Don't do that to us. Ow! I thought I ripped my shirt. Oh, come on. Oh, and I don't know if y'all saw, but I did try to go be a daredevil at the river with the family the other day. And I posted it. If you haven't seen it, it's a fun little video. My goodness. It's a fun little video. Has nothing to do with cars. So if y'all want to go check it out, go check it out. I'll post it. Oh, right there? I don't know. No, it's right here. It's on my nose. Right there on my nose. All I'm gonna say is I knocked the and wind out of myself. That hurt a little bit. But all in all, it was fun. So I can't wait to go again. Maybe to a different spot next time. And then I'm thinking about having another GoPro hooked up, maybe on my head, so y'all can get POV. Because like I said, that was fun. And y'all know what I forgot to do? I forgot to take off that line from the bottom. Shoot. Oh well. Come on. I know you want to come off. Come on. I can't work with if you don't come off. There we go. Let's pull that back. I know y'all can't see, but and that's why I want another GoPro also, so I could give y'all a little better angles. Oh, that's just easy. I do have to take this off right here. Ow! There goes my socket. And I did hit the flow, so we good. Oh no! You booger. Hitting the water bottle. That's why I got wobble extensions, just to give me that little extra. Oh, come on. You're sucking. You're just being a pain. And I don't know if y'all noticed, but I have a lot more new tools that I haven't even revealed on the channel. Y'all just been seeing me use them. If y'all been paying attention, y'all should have been seeing me use them. So, got a clip here that I gotta undo. Clip there. I'm just gonna worry about getting it off the firewall first. It would help if I put it in takeoff mode. Maybe I don't have good wow. That might not work. Shit. Let it down just a little more. This is a little different than the other Rogue that I did not too long ago. Same concept though. Just a little tighter clearances. Tighter spots. Ooh, I'm glad I didn't do this while the engine was hot. 'Cause man, oh man. Here we have the bolt. Now I want to release the vacuum. That's not gonna work. Release the vacuums. Now, Serbia, I'm gonna pick on you for a minute. I don't know if you're subscribed or whatnot, but we already talked it out. Whatever. This will blow at 60 degrees once I'm done with it. 60 degrees on a hot, humid day like today is perfect. Got it disconnected from the spots we need it disconnected from. So maybe just maybe yeah, I gotta disconnect the bottom piece. All right, so now I can get right here and take this off. Oh, that's amazing. It didn't even feel like it was that tight. Now I'm gonna just leave the bolt right there. Disconnect it. Now once I get done with this, we will not be able to work from right here. Yeah, we will, because I'll secure this after I get done. Well, now that we're here, now that we disconnected it from down there, have to see about working it up. I might in fact have to unbolt it from right there. It's just so tight. Ouch. Can I? Can I hit it in the morning? Oh no. Yeah, no. I'm gonna just bend it. We're replacing it anyway. Bend that out the way. I might actually, might actually disconnect it right there. Just ask parts for an O-ring. I charged one O-ring out for the low side hose on the firewall. I didn't charge one to separate it. I didn't realize this one you could separate. so. Ow. If I tuck this back up underneath how it's supposed to be, still can't. Trying to figure out. Am I gonna have to go to the service manual for this? No, I'm not. Got that.
I saw your hijo.
What do you mean?
One of your hijos.
Who?
Louis.
What? Yeah, right there. Take this ground cable off, and we could just bring this line up while I'm leaking everywhere. Yes, sir. There we go. Look at this, guys. So it's getting rubbed. Oh, no, not right there, Gilbert. It's getting rubbed right here. Y'all see how it's like flat? And there's like a tiny little pinhole right there. Tiny, tiny pinhole. It's right there, not right there like I thought.
How the fuck did you see it?
Trained eye. Nah, on the real though, I looked in front of the condenser and I saw the area that was wet and green. So then I went down there. I went to move the panel out of the way because I'm like, wait, why can't I see it? I moved it and I saw a flat spot where it was rubbing. Put the black light and I saw a little pinhole. I was like, what the fuck? So then I did the video for the customer, and then after that I did the video for the short. And by the time I did the video for the short, it was like the die had gotten bigger already, where you could see. But that panel wasn't in the place it should have been. So I gotta put it back, or it's gonna rub through again. Okay, I'll get this out the way because I need a couple clips from it. And we're gonna feed this line. I'm not taking the plastic end covers off because I don't want to scratch my O-rings. And if you have to bend this line just a little bit, don't be afraid to do so. I don't even know why I'm telling y'all, like if I'm teaching y'all, because I'm not. This is not a how-to video, nor do I do how-to videos. All right. So we got that in position. We'll get my low side line. Oh, I need to put my O-ring on there. Ow, my forehead. And of course it's the wrong size. That looks more like the size for this one. Go get the correct size.
Oh.
Get a different.
But we'll
O-ring.
I'll try to keep up.
I'm gonna keep the other one that you gave me.
Thank you.
You can keep that one built on there.
Yeah.
Because that other one I could use where I split the low side hose. But this is low side going into the evaporator.
That one there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if y'all were able to hear that, but I did get it built. Why do I have another O-ring in there? Anyways, let me get this all lubed up. Don't judge me. Put it on. Secure fit. Alright. Y'all see I'm in there like swimwear. I'm just... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, there we go. There we go. Put her in, put her in. Put her in, put her in, put her in. Wiggle it. Alright. See if I can get... That's good. Oh. Ow, ow. Take the protector off the other end. Put it in. A whole lot of putting it in. They don't want to go in. It went in. It went in. It went in. I just gotta. This low side to go. There we go. This wasn't going in straight. Make sure I'm still good. Nope, high side popped out. Fuck. Come on now. Come on. Down. Woo. Lock this down. Do not cross thread this. If you cross thread it, man, you will hate life. Now I just want to get everything positioned. In a way so I ain't gotta really worry about it.
Find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off. Find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous. Scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of left, you never know what's on.
Whew, okay. Got that side secured. Got that one secured. Now we're gonna put the grill on.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view.
We are all settled and ready to go. So I'm not sure how well y'all could see, but nah, y'all can't see that good. But obviously that panel is secured, and if you look through here, we cannot see the sensor or the line anymore. So that's how it's actually supposed to be. Now I did spray it down with brake clean, that way we can not get confused next time this vehicle comes in. There's gonna be some residue or residual, but that's to be expected. Yeah, I'm gonna finish putting this vehicle back together. This vehicle, for the most part, Mozart, is done. I just need to refill it. Somebody else has the machine, so I gotta wait on them to be done with it. So if y'all could please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn post notification bells on so you don't miss another video or upload. Check that video out, subscribe right there. Merch store down below. Deuce, guys. Woo!
And I don't think you have a clue, what could that be? They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't